Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to this presentation. I am glad to see you all. We are from the group 5. Our group will be present about preventing diseases human immunodeficiency virus. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce in my member group. There is me, Metia Merati Dewi, and Devita Isyulani, Fitri Dwi Tresnawati, and Tiara Meliasari. For slides 1 and 2 will be presented by Tiara Meliasari. For slide 3 and 4 will be presented by Fitri Dwi. For slide 5 and 6 will be presented by Devita Isyuliani. Okay, we will start the presentation.
What is HIV? HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, is a virus that attacks the immune system, which further weakens the body's ability to fight infection and disease. There is no known cure or method of treating HIV by undergoing certain medication. People with HIV can slow down the progression of this disease so that people with HIV can live a normal life. AIDS, or acquired immune deficiency syndrome, is a condition in which HIV is already in the final stage of infection. When a person has AIDS, the body no longer has the ability to fight the infection it caused. 2. How does a person become infection with HIV? 1. Sex. HIV transmission can occur through important sexual intercourse. There's through vaginal, anal, or oral sex. In addition, someone who likes to change sexual partners is also more at risk of getting HIV. 2. Use a syringe. HIV can be transmitted through a needle that are connected with the blood of an infected person. Sharing needles or using used needles put a person at a very high risk of contagious disease, including HIV. 3. Pregnancy. Cribbride of preventing a mother who is HIV infection and pregnant or breastfeeding is a high risk of passing HIV to her baby. It is important to consult a doctor if you are HIV sufferer who is pregnant so that the risk of HIV transmission to the baby can be reduced. 4. Blood transfusion. In some cases, HIV transmission can also occur through blood transfusion. However, that incidence is incredibly rare because of the absence of due diligence of donors, including blood donor, organ or body tissue donor. With paper testing, recipients of blood donation have a low risk of becoming infection with HIV.
3. Sick and symptom. The first stage, people with flu-like pain a few weeks after infection. For 1 to 2 months can cause no symptom. For several, use might develop fever and joint. The second stage, when general do not cause future symptoms for years. 2. The virus continues to spread and damage the immune system. 3. Transmission of the infection can already be carried out by the sufferer to other people. And the last, up to 10 years or more. Virus to reproduce and preventing the HIV virus from destroying CD4 cells. The types of ARV drug have various variants, including etravirine, efavirenz, lamivudine, zidovudine, and nevirapine. While taking antiretroviral drug, the doctor will monitor the number of virus and CD4 cells to assess the painted response to treatment. A CD4 cell count will be done every 3 and 6 months. Meanwhile, HIV RNA examination will carried out since the beginning of the treatment, then continued every 3 and 4 months during the treatment period. Third phase 1. The endurance of people with susceptibility, so they get sick easily and will progress to AIDS. 2. Continuous fever for more than 10 days. 3. Feel tired all the time. 4. Difficulty breathing. And the last, the area that is heavy and for a long time.
Five things people with HIV do not do. 1. Eat fruit that is not washed clean. 2. Drink raw water. 3. Drink unpasteurized milk. 4. Consuming alcohol. 5. Consuming coffee. 6. Food that contain saturated fat and trans fat. 7. Fine granulate sugar. 6 things people with HIV should do. 1. Regular antiretroviral care. People with HIV are strongly advised to undergo routine antiretroviral care. This treatment is a special treatment for people infected with retrovirus, especially HIV. This treatment should be done as soon as possible, if possible before the spread of the virus becomes more widespread and dangerous. This treatment must be done regularly. If not, then this treatment will not help suppress get stable immunity. 2. Have a healthy lifestyle. After doing medication of therapy regularly and continuously, there are other things that are important to maintain, namely maintaining a healthy lifestyle. The healthy lifestyle is meant to ensure that the physical condition is always healthy and fit. This can be obtained by adopting a healthy diet, getting enough exercise, and avoiding the use of alcohol and narcotics.
Thank you for listening and thank you for your attention. May all that we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.